My name is Jamie Clews from Metcalfe Catering Equipment and I am the Key Account Manager. Today I'm going to show you how to make butter by just using double cream in our MP7. So to start with, we're going to add the double cream into the mixer. And simply we're just going to blend this for about 3 to 4 minutes until the cream is fully whipped, and then it's going to separate out, leaving the butter and leaving the buttermilk, which we'll come back and use in another recipe. And I'm going to raise the bowl up, close the safety latch and the clear screen at the front. By using the controls on the side, we're going to set the timer, which I'm going to set for 4 minutes, and then we're going to turn the speed up to level 3 and press it on. And that's it, and then it will whip up. So we can now see the cream is all fully whipped. We're going to keep on going for roughly about another 2 minutes until the cream separates, and then we've got a nice clean butter, and then we'll also be left with the buttermilk, which we'll be using in another recipe. So now the full fat cream is fully separated, we have the butter and the buttermilk. So what I'm going to do now is take off the whisk attachment and take off the bowl. We're then going to pour the buttermilk through a fine sieve, and we're going to save this for another recipe later. You can see there we've got the butter all separated and ready to go. So what we need to do now is to get as much of the buttermilk out as possible, and then we're going to mix in some peppercorns and flat leaf parsley to make a beautiful compound butter. So what I've done here is I've taken out the buttermilk, and you can do that by simply pressing through your hands or a sieve until all the buttermilk is pushed out. So we've got that into a jug here, which we're going to use for another recipe. This is now unsalted butter. We could add salt to this for salted butter, or we could add other flavours for a nice interesting compound butter. I'm going to add peppercorns and flat leaf parsley to finish off a beautiful steak. So now what we're going to do is I've changed the paddle on the MP7 here, the mixer. We've got a nice simple paddle system. We're going to add in the butter that we've already made into the bowl. We're going to add in some cracked black pepper and some chopped parsley. We'll mix it up till it's fully mixed, and then we'll roll it out and chill it for later. So what we've done here now, we've fully mixed the butter up with the peppercorn sauce. I've laid some cling film here on the counter, so we're going to put the butter in there and roll it up into a sausage and then chill that for later. So you simply want to just mould it out slightly to get a nice even roll, and then wrap that up. And then to get a nice round compound butter, you literally twist the sides and then chill that for later. So our compound butter of peppercorn and flat leaf parsley is now fully chilled. I've sliced a piece off on this and placed this onto a nice beautiful sirloin steak, which is now going to melt into the steak, giving a rich buttery flavour. All made using our Metcalfe MP7 mixer.